The sun is beating down on me and I feel like I've just like lost 20 pounds in water. So we're at City Hall and there's a lot of noisy cars driving all by and motorcycles. Fall Idaho! Let's get it! And there's apparently an Alexis on Fire concert here today. For free, but we can't go. We got scene tickets. For Scene Fest! Hurrah! It's gonna be exciting, and there's gonna be a band about cats, so I'm pretty pumped. Run with the kids. Grass here is magnificent. Oh my goodness, okay, you know what? Oh, showing them the grass. We need to cut up on the grass! Scene's on Sunday, and we're gonna like have clips of it. Like we're not gonna film too much because it's gonna be super loud, obviously. But yeah, so we're gonna have a few clips in there in our next video. Yeah, well, I'm not everyone, okay? I'm original! Bless you. I'm not gonna sneeze, I'm just hyperventilating. Oh, okay.
Bye, Canva! Bye, Canva.